It all started at exactly 9:06 a.m. Crypto Twitter was calm. Dick Screener was glowing. $OM was up 72% on the 4-hour chart. People were chanting OMMN to the moon. Literally. One guy even lit incense next to his Ledger wallet and tweeted, "Just sold my car. All in on $OM. The universe has spoken." Spoiler, the universe was trolling. Enter Chad69.edh, a self-proclaimed spiritual whale and actual menace to the blockchain. Chad held 4% of the total $OM supply, which he apparently bought during a breathwork retreat in Bali while microdosing and reading The Alchemist. Anyway, Chad logs into his wallet and sees $OM pumping. He smiles. He sips his kombucha. And then he accidentally leans on his keyboard and hits market sell all. On-chain. Instant. 4% of the supply. No mercy. No limit orders. Just full-blown enlightenment into the abyss. $OM tanks 43% in 12 seconds. Panic erupts. Telegram melts. People start typing in Sanskrit. One guy live streams himself throwing his yoga mat off a balcony. But it gets worse. Someone posts a fake screenshot of a Binance listing being cancelled. Then someone else photoshops a tweet from Vitalik saying $OM disrespects the fundamental nature of inner peace. And boom, the floor falls out. Another whale, sensing danger, rage quits. Sells his entire stack to buy a pixelated monkey on Solana. $OM is now down 76%. The devs? Silent. Meditating. Their last tweet? True value lies within. Not helpful. At 9:11 a.m., the coin hits minus 89%. One poor guy named at Zen Investor 69 posts. "This was supposed to be my karma cleanse. Now I owe my landlord 3 months rent and a free sound bath." At 9:13 a.m., Chad finally realizes what he's done. He tweets, "Oops, I fat-fingered my soul. Comments are disabled." And just when it couldn't get worse, someone finds the smart contract was forged from floptoken.v1, a rug pull from 2021. That was the final blow. At 9:15 a.m., $OM is officially declared a spiritual lesson, not a financial asset.